This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Sturt. This home is in move-in condition, 4-bedroom 1.5-story home with open floor plan and nice large backyard. Primary bedroom on main west / bedroom number 4 / bonus on second floor. Roof is 2018, HVAC and Furnace 2016. Floors has been restained, new carpets, paint, finished garage, gas stove and stainless steel appliances, except dishwasher. Great location. It's just a few minutes from Highway 485, I-77, I-85, 15 minutes from Charlotte, 5 minutes from shops and restaurants. Showings start on Friday. Come see it before it's gone. For more information, review the details below.